In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start making affiliate commission today without setting anything up, so no setup whatsoever and without any experience. Now I can say with confidence that this is going to work for you, even if you've never done anything like this before. If you've never tried affiliate marketing before, this is going to work for you because we've done all of the work for you. Okay, so let's start at the beginning. Have you seen this product here? So it's called EscapePlan IS1. You may have seen it online. Now this is a $7 product which outlines many of the systems that I've used personally to transition from working in the construction industry to making a full-time income online from digital products. Now this product, as I've just mentioned, contains multiple systems, but the one that I'm going to focus on and tell you about in this video is called the IFTF system. Now an IFTF system enables anybody to get results online because everything is already built for them and all the marketing is done for them. So before I show you how your IFTF system is going to work, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what the people already using it are making. So the people that are already using your IFTF system, the fully automated system, I'm going to show you now the kind of money they're making using this process. And then I'm going to show you how you can do the same. So obviously there are a lot of people making sales, but I'm not going to cover all of them because obviously some of them are using their email lists. And for most of you, you won't have an email list. So what I want to concentrate on is the people that are actually using the system. So I've opened a couple of them up. So Sylvia here, so you can see that she's made $407 there. So $57.18 from the $7 product and another $350.55 from the upsell, which is the IFTF system. So you can see $407 there. And this guy here, $375. You can see the same results here. So $7 product there, $119. And then the IFTF system here, $255. Val, $214 from the IFTF system, $80 from the $7 product. Another one here, Terry, $217 in total. And Gary, $156. All of these guys, everyone that I'm showing you here, they're simply using the IFTF system to generate these results. And this is something that I'm going to show you how to do right now. So it doesn't matter that you don't have a list. It doesn't matter that you don't have any experience. You don't need any of those things when you use this fully automated system. Now, the other really cool thing about this product is that when you purchase it, so when you buy the product, you also get guaranteed approval to promote it. And that's even if you are a complete beginner with no affiliate or no sales stats. So if you've struggled to get approved to promote a product before so you can start making affiliate commission, then purchasing this product removes that issue. You can get started straight away. So before I show you how this works and what you need to do to start getting results today, let me tell you how you get access. So the first thing that you need to do is get the $7 product using the button below. This product has one upsell, and that one upsell is the fully automated IFTF system. This is the system that the people I've just shown you, so the results I've just shown you, this is what they're using to get those results. And it's a system that you can use without a subscriber list and without any setup. You don't need an autoresponder. You don't need to create anything. It's all built for you the moment you log in. So once you've purchased the $7 product, you need to purchase that product first. So you purchase the $7 EscapePlan IS1. As soon as you do that, you'll be offered the IFTF system. You see here that it's noted on the sales page, so there is just one upsell. So one upgrade, upsell, whatever you want to call it. Now this upgrade is offered just once, and it will cost you an additional $37. So in total, you'll pay $44. And this is for full automation for life. Now I'm going to show you this full automation in a moment, but what it means is all you ever have to do, log in at one link and then give away access to video training for free. Once you do that, we do everything else, or I should say automation does everything else. So you don't need to set anything up. You don't need that autoresponder. Don't need to create anything. You don't need to sell anything. We do all of that for you. All you ever have to do is give away access to free training. Now let me show you how this works. So once you log into EscapePlan, your dashboard is going to look like this. Now if you purchased just the $7 product, then this is where you access the product there and the bonus there. But of course we're interested in the IFTF system because this is the automated system. Remember, this is the upgrade, which costs an additional $37. So when you log in, you just come up here where it says Your IFTF System, click there, you add in your link. So this is your affiliate link for EscapePlan IS1. Remember, you're auto approved. So all you need to do is click this button, click apply on the next page. You'll be approved instantly. Then paste in your affiliate link here and click update. And now that link is hard coded into the system for this product, which means all you have to do is give away free training. Let me show you. So then you scroll down here, click on promote this funnel, then choose one of the landing pages. Again, all of these pages are built for you. They're built and coded to you. So let's say, for example, we're going to choose this one here. Then all you need to do is share this link. Now let me show you what this page looks like. So again, the page is completely built for you, is coded to you. And somebody clicks here, enters their email address. Let's enter one of mine. They're taken straight over to the training. So this is a training page. Remember, you're not actually selling anything. You're just giving away free training. And all of this is, as you've already seen, all of this is built for you. So you give away the link. A prospect opts in to watch the free training. This is a free training. In just a little while after the free training starts, the button will pop up here. That button will be coded with your affiliate link, your hard-coded affiliate link, which means if the prospect purchases, you receive a commission. You also receive the commission for the upsell, the $37 upsell. You receive 90% commission on both of those products. However, if after watching this training, or if after signing up they don't watch this training, then because you're hard-coded, we follow up for you. So remember, you don't need an autoresponder. Let me just take you back here. You don't need an autoresponder. We do all of the following up for you. However, you can still access your leads. You can still use this system to build your subscriber list. Only you can do it without actually having an autoresponder. So if I click here, you can see, well, this is where the leads would be. Let me log into my other account so I can show you what this actually looks like. So this is my main account and you can see the leads down here. So all of the leads there, and then you can export them by clicking this button here and import them into your own autoresponder if you have an autoresponder right now, or at a later date if you decide to get an autoresponder further down the line. What I'm saying is you don't actually need an autoresponder to use this system. So let's pop back to the IFTF system and let me show you how you can promote this, because I know lots of you will be watching and you won't have an email list, you won't have a following, you won't have a social media audience. So we've included a number of solutions which you can start using today in literally minutes, even if you are a complete beginner. And this is what many of the people using this system are actually using. So I'm going to choose this one here. So this is a link that we share. And then I choose a promotion system. Obviously, you wouldn't choose email if you don't have an existing subscriber list. If you're just getting started, then you probably wouldn't choose the paid solution. So you'd probably go with either Parasite or video. Now, I know a lot of people don't like making videos, and that's okay. What I suggest you do is go with the Parasite systems. So if I click here, you can see that we have two. Let me just take you back there. These are categories. So you just saw there with the Parasite system that when you click one of these buttons, multiple systems open. So let's concentrate on this one for a moment. Now, both of these systems work because they piggyback off of high domain authority. Okay, so high domain authority, or DA. And you can do this in 5 to 10 minutes per day, or whenever you want to do it. Now, all of this is included with the upgrade. So your IFTF system, it costs an additional $37. So if you remember, the front end product is $7. This fully automated upgrade is $37. So in total, it will cost you $44. But once you have it, you can continue to use it. and it pays you 90% commission on everything. So you don't have to sell anything, you simply give away free training. The free training is provided for you, you just give away the link and that's it. So in summary, if you want to make money online, your IFTF system will completely automate affiliate marketing for you when you give away free training. This simple process is already making countless people daily commission. There isn't anything to set up. You don't need an autoresponder. You never need an autoresponder, and you'll never need to sell anything. You just give away the free training and we take care of the rest. So if you're ready to start getting results today without needing any experience, click the button below, buy the $7 EscapePlan IS1, and then buy the one and only upsell that we offer, which is called Your IFTF System. And remember, that's the fully automated system. So if you want to automate the complete process, you will need that. In total, it's going to cost you $44. But once you've paid that $44, you can use this system as often as you like. There are no additional costs. And remember, you get 90% commission on everything, and you can start in minutes. So if you are looking for an easy way to make affiliate commission without doing a ton of work, without learning lots and lots of new skills and sitting in front of hour upon hour of training, you won't find anything that comes even close to this at such a tiny cost. As I've said, it will cost you a total of $44, which is nothing when you look at the results users are already getting. Now, one thing that I do need to point out is that your IFTF system, so the automation, the upgrade, will only be offered once. So it is a genuine one-time offer. So you need to get it when it's offered because it won't be offered again. So if you're ready to get started now, click the button below and you can start using this system in literally minutes. Remember, you get instant guaranteed approval. You get 90% commission on everything. You never have to sell anything. You simply log in and give away free training. So click the button underneath this video to get started now, and thanks for watching.